here at Myanmar to demonstrate some of the great technologies and innovations that have been coming out of the UNE Smart Region Incubator, AgTech Gateway program. And what's been terrific about today has been the opportunity for founders to demonstrate quite practically what their product or service can do for a producer. Many of them have been doing their very best to demonstrate visually or over webinars and such methods during COVID, but it's just really nice today to actually see these products and services in the field and what benefit they can deliver for the producer.
What we believe we've got is...
It's good to catch up with people face to face. You have a much better conversation when you're standing in front of somebody, and it's been great to kind of demonstrate the platform and show exactly what it can do. So Fargate's an online platform to buy and sell livestock. So we've actually built it from the mobile backwards. You can upload photos and videos straight into the app and then sign off digitally at the farm, get them up on the platform and get them into the auction.
I'm Australian Senior Partner for Drone Logbook Australia, which is a operations management software platform for drone operations. And I'm also a fully licensed commercial drone pilot for Drone Tasker. We get to see the locals, and everyone loves a big drone. So it drags people in to have the conversation. And if you don't have the conversation, the landowners won't know about it.
So I'm a founder of OptiWay. So I'm a founder at the SRI and joined there 18 months ago with the OptiWay, as you can see here, and we sell these all around Australia. Today's been good. It's great to be able to get out to a field day and see some people and actually show them the product instead of trying to explain it over the phone all the time.
Great day here at the Ag360 stand. We've had probably 10-15 really serious commercial producers who come and found out about our software program and how it can be used to predict the weather on the property and how much pasture there'll be in the future and how the animals are going to grow.
It wasn't banks, I don't think, because they wouldn't have discovered it until they went to Blue Mountains.
Our company, Australian Soil Management, organises for farms to be registered as soil carbon projects. So we're up here talking about what it means to be a soil carbon project, how do you become a soil carbon project, and why. In other words, what is the value of the money?
I think it's very important that the SRI continues to be a great base camp for companies like mine and like the other ones that are out here at the moment. You know, there's a real valley of death for a lot of startups between that initial kind of flush of success and then trying to make a business out of it. What the SRI helped us do was to kind of get through that valley. It's great to see newer companies come through, and it will be also great to see them be supported by the SRI in the same fashion that I was.